Talia! Tal! Tal! Video!
Kind of quiet at that point, huh?
Yeah, they are. Okay, I've been through it. I know. I know. All that screaming,
Ooh, they're about to ride. Scary.
Yeah, got that. Been there, done that.
Weather is 72 degrees. Hindi ko alam, Fahrenheit. Hindi ko alam sa anong Celsius yun, pero sobrang, it's cool. Pag nasa shade ka, giginawin ka, kailangan nasa ilalim ka na araw kasi malamig pag wala. Ito yung isang ride na gusto kong sakyan nila. Yung isa, vertical velocity. Naku, wala akong masakyan dito, my gosh. Doon na lang ako sa kiddie ride.
Going the wrong way.
She has to pee.
Again?
Yes.